everyone, let's work through this complex number fraction. I have 5 plus 2i all divided by 4i. Now complex fractions are unlike any other. You are not allowed to have an I in the denominator, so your job is to get rid of it. And the fastest way to get rid of an I is by multiplying it by itself, because we know that I squared is equal to -1. So if I can create an I squared in the denominator, I'll no longer have an imaginary number. So what I'm going to do is multiply the numerator and the denominator by I. Now in the numerator, that means I need to have 5 plus 2i times I. And in the denominator, I have 4i times I. Now we can distribute and clean this up. 5 times I is 5i, and 2i times I is positive 2i squared. Your denominator becomes 4i squared. Anything with I squared, we know automatically becomes -1. So let's replace all the I squareds with -1. We have 5i plus 2 times -1 all over 4 times -1. Now if I multiply the 2 and -1, it becomes -2 plus 5i all over -4. However, to be written as a complex number, you have to write them as individual values. And this is the part that a lot of people miss. We're going to have -2 divided by 4 plus 5 divided by 4i, and the I is after the fraction. Now we can simplify each fraction appropriately. -2 divided by -4 is positive 1/2, and then positive 5 divided by -4 is going to be negative 5/4 I. And that is our final answer.